Hello everyone, welcome to Legal Act. This is part 5 of Computer Basics and we will be starting from question number 151. So let's start. 151. When was Microsoft's latest Windows NT operating system Windows 11 was launched? Answer is October 2021. 152. The size of each sector in a hard disk is dash. The answer is 512 bytes. 153. Control, Shift, and Alt are called dash keys. The answer is modifier keys. 154. Which memory is made up of SRAM and provides a very high access speed? The answer is cache memory. 155. The CPU of a computer consists of dash. The answer is ALU, control unit, and registers. ALU is arithmetic logic unit. 156. What is the shortcut for font dialog box? The answer is Control plus D. 157. The process of identifying the source of problems in a computer system is known as dash. The answer is troubleshooting. 158. Name the first high-level computer programming language. The answer is Fortran. Fortran stands for Formula Translation. 159. Which feature can be used to solve the problem of limited hard drive space? The answer is disk cleanup. 160. What is the name of cloud computing platform provided by Amazon? The answer is Amazon Web Service. 161. Touchscreen is which type of device? The answer is both input and output. Digital camera, both input and output. 162. The virus that had spread from software is called as dash. The answer is macrovirus. 163. Dash is the technique used to reduce the speed mismatch between the high-speed CPU and slow-speed devices such as printers. The answer is spooling. 164. What is the name of the world's fastest supercomputer? The answer is Frontier. 165. Which is the official language for Android development? The answer is Java. 166. In which communication mode each station can both transmit and receive the information at the same time? The answer is full duplex transmission. 167. A dash is used to transfer data packets between two computer networks. The answer is router. 168. What is the maximum number of lines you can set for a drop cap? The answer is 10 lines. 169. Which is the fastest computer memory? The answer is register. 170. Dash is a social networking site designed specifically for the business community and professional career explorers. The answer is LinkedIn. 171. Where does your PC store your programs when the power is off? The answer is hard disk drive. 172. The smallest and fastest memory of a computer is register memory, located in which part of computer? The answer is CPU, that is Central Processing Unit. 173. The Institute for Electrical and Electronic Engineers developed an Ethernet standard known as DASH. The answer is IEEE 802.3. 174. The most advanced form of read-only memory, that is ROM, is DASH. The answer is EEPROM. Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. 175. What are the two basic parts of URLs? The answer is the protocol and the domain name. 176. There is a dash slot in front of the motherboard using which video cards, sound cards, and other expansion cards can be connected to the motherboard. The answer is peripheral card. 177. Which type of memory is used in digital camera? The answer is flash memory. 178. What is the shortcut key to create a copyright symbol in MS Word? The answer is Ctrl plus Alt plus C. 179. Dash is a printer that makes use of heat in order to produce the image on paper. The answer is thermal printer. 180. What is the full form of LTE? The answer is long term evolution. 181. Dash is a personal information manager and an email communication software from Microsoft. The answer is Outlook. 182. Which network topology has the highest reliability? The answer is mesh topology. 183. What is the name of the attack in which attackers overload computing or network resources? The answer is denial of service. 184. Java is a dash programming language as it doesn't require the entire code to be rewritten for all the different platforms. The answer is platform independent. 185. The dash service enables users to log into remote computers over the internet using their local computers. The answer is telnet. 186. Linux is which type of operating system? The answer is open source OS. 187. Dash is the attempt to acquire sensitive information such as usernames, passwords, and credit or debit card details, often for malicious reasons. The answer is phishing. 188. A dash consists of a set of rows and columns in Excel. The answer is worksheet. 189. 1 byte equals to how many bits? The answer is 8 bits. 190. Which feature of MS Word is used to send same letter to multiple persons? The answer is mail merge. 191. An HTML tag is a special word or letter surrounded by dash. The answer is angle brackets. 192. By default, how many worksheets are there in an MS Excel workbook 2007? The answer is 3. By default, Excel 2016 contains one worksheet. 193. Which shortcut key is used to open a new blank document in MS Word? The answer is Ctrl plus N. 194. What is the default file name of first presentation file in MS PowerPoint? The answer is Presentation 1. 195. Which shortcut key in MS Excel is used to hide the selected row? The answer is Ctrl plus 9. For columns, Ctrl plus 0. 196. What is the other name for LAN card? The answer is NIC, that is Network Interface Controller. 197. A half byte is called a dash. The answer is nibble. A bit is the smallest unit of storage. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits and 1 nibble is equal to 4 bits. 198. Which shortcut key is used to select a row in MS Excel? The answer is Shift plus spacebar. To select a column, Control plus spacebar. 199. Which protocol provides email facility among different hosts? The answer is SMTP, which stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. 200. Communication between a computer and a keyboard involves dash transmission. The answer is simplex. 201. What is the name of browser developed by Apple? The answer is Safari. 202. Which keyboard shortcut is used to indent paragraphs in an MS Word document? The answer is Ctrl plus M. 203. Who is the founder of flash memory? The answer is Masao Fujio, Toshiba Corporation. 204. Which keyboard shortcut is used to remove paragraph formatting in an MS Word document? The answer is Ctrl plus Q. 205. Assembly language uses abbreviated English words like ADD, JUMP, MUL, etc. These words are called. The answer is mnemonics. 206. Which component of CPU is responsible for directing the system to execute instructions? The answer is control unit. 207. What is the storage area for email messages called? The answer is mailbox. 207. What is the storage area for email messages called? The answer is mailbox. 208. What is the set of flip-flops integrated together called? The answer is register. 209. The third generation of computers introduced the use of IC in computers. What does the term IC mean? The answer is integrated circuits. 210. Which function key is used to spell check and grammar check a document in Microsoft programs? The answer is F7. 211. What is the full form of CMOS, a technology used for constructing integrated circuits? The answer is complementary metal oxide semiconductor. 212. What was the name of the first true personal computer based on the 8-bit Intel 8080 microprocessor? The answer is Altair 8800. 213. What is the system designed to prevent unauthorized access to or form a private network called as? The answer is firewall. 214. What is the shortcut key to double underline the selected text? The answer is Control plus Shift plus D. 215. Which web server is developed by Microsoft? The answer is Internet Information Services. 216. Which was the first web-based email service? The answer is Hotmail. 217. Which operating system was developed by Nokia? The answer is Symbian OS. 218. Which is the oldest first internet search engine? The answer is Archi. 219. Dash is a hardware component without which a computer cannot be connected over a network. The answer is network interface card. 220. Which shortcut key is used to change the selected text to all uppercase? The answer is Control plus Shift plus A. 221. How many layers are there in the TCP/IP protocol suite? The answer is 5 layers. 222. The device that connects computer or router to broadband network is called dash. The answer is modem. 223. Which one is considered as India's first supercomputer? The answer is Param 8000. 224. Which company invented the laser printer? The answer is Xerox. 225. The full form of AVI, a type of file format developed by Microsoft, is dash. The answer is audio video interleave. 226. Dash is a network protocol for transmitting files from one computer to another on the internet. The answer is FTP. FTP is File Transfer Protocol. 227. Which shortcut key is used to delete one word to the left of the cursor in a document? The answer is Control plus backspace. 228. Which topology is used in Ethernet? The answer is bus topology. 229. When a computer is first turned on or restarted, bootstrap loader is executed. It is stored in dash. The answer is read-only memory. 230. The ability of an operating system to run more than one application at a time is called dash. The answer is multitasking. 231. Who is responsible for assigning IP address to organizations and individuals? The answer is IANA. It stands for Internet Assigned Numbers Authority. 232. What is the name of cloud computing service created by Microsoft? The answer is Microsoft Azure. 233. How was the data stored on the floppy disk? The answer is magnetism. 234. What is the name of Apple's spreadsheet software? The answer is Numbers. 235. What is the name of the device used to connect two separate Ethernet networks into one extended Ethernet? The answer is bridge. 236. The length of IPv6 address is dash bits. The answer is 128 bits. 237. Which computer programs are designed by attackers to gain root or administrative access to your computer? The answer is rootkits. 238. Which company developed the Android OS, a mobile operating system software, in 2007? The answer is Google. 239. Most application software today comes with an interface called an dash. The answer is graphical user interface. In which generation of computers, time sharing, real time networks, and distributed operating system was used? The answer is fourth generation. 241. What was the name of world's first graphical web browser? The answer is Mosaic. 242. Dash is when the more power hungry components such as the monitor and the hard drive are put in idle. The answer is standby mode. 243. What is the size of MAC address? The answer is 48 bit. 244. A dash is a physical memory storage space used to temporarily hold data while it is being transported from one location to another. The answer is buffer memory. 245. Under which tab is the watermark button available in MS Word? The answer is Design tab. 246. In an Excel worksheet, the content of the active cell is displayed in dash. The answer is formula bar. 247. Which function key is used to create a chart in MS Excel? The answer is F11. 248. What does a green wavy line under a word or phrase in the document mean Microsoft Word? The answer is grammatical errors. 249. Which tool can be opted for a synonym word in a document? The answer is thesaurus. Shortcut key for thesaurus is Shift plus F7. 250. The built-in browser in Windows 10 is called dash. The answer is Microsoft Edge. 251. The first publicly available internet service in India was launched by. The answer is Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. 252. Which shortcut key is used to insert the current date in MS Excel? The answer is Control plus semicolon symbol. 253. Which shortcut key is used to insert the current time in MS Excel? The answer is Control plus Shift plus semicolon symbol. 254. The process that converts an image of text into a machine-readable text format is known as dash? The answer is OCR, optical character recognition. 255. The process through which an illegitimate website pretends to be a specific legitimate website is known as dash. The answer is spoofing. 256. What is the shortcut key to take a screenshot of entire display in Windows 10? The answer is Windows logo key plus print screen. 257. How many types of printers are there based on their printing techniques? The answer is two types: impact printers and non-impact printers. 258. A dash allows you to access your email from anywhere. The answer is webmail interface. 259. How many presentation views are available in MS PowerPoint? The answer is 5. Normal view, outline view, slide sorter view, notes page view, and reading view. 260. The memory management technique that used RAM and hard disk space to provide dedicated memory space for each program is known as dash. The answer is virtual memory. 261. What are the two common types of low-level programming languages? The answer is assembly language and machine language. 262. In which generation of computer operating system was used for the first time? The answer is third generation. 263. Which desktop feature has been included in Windows 10 that was omitted from Windows 8? The answer is Start menu. 264. Which type of computer virus can self-replicate and propagate over the network with or without human intervention? The answer is worm. 265. Which feature automatically moves the text to the next line when the text being typed extends beyond the right margin? The answer is word wrap. 266. A group's access to digital technology and another group's lack of access to it will cause a disparity known as dash. The answer is digital divide. 267. Which ports connect special types of musical instruments to sound cards? The answer is MIDI, which stands for Musical Instrument Digital Interface. 268. A computer program that converts an entire program into machine language in a single run is called dash. The answer is compiler. 269. A computer program that converts an entire program into machine language line by line is called dash. The answer is interpreter. 270. What is the name of biometric security system of Windows 10 that let users sign in to a computer through recognizing his face or fingerprints? The answer is Windows Hello. 271. What was used for storage in the first generation of computer? The answer is magnetic drum. 272. Which key combination is used to minimize all open windows and displays in the screen? The answer is Windows key plus D. 273. What is the maximum zoom percentage in MS Word? The answer is 500%. Excel 400% and PowerPoint 400%. 274. What is the name of the first automatic electronic digital computer? The answer is Attensoft Berry computer. 275. The text styling feature of MS Word is known as dash. The answer is word art. 276. What is the storage capacity of a dual layered Blu-ray disc? The answer is 50 GB. Storage capacity of a single layer disk is 25 GB. 277. What is the maximum number of primary partition that can be created on hard disk? The answer is 4 primary partitions. 278. Wi-Fi works at a frequency of dash and dash. The answer is 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. 279. Scrambling of data before transmission across a network to avoid manipulation by a third party is known as dash. The answer is encryption. 280. Who is the founder of cloud computing? The answer is Joseph Licklider. 281. What can be the maximum size of a Word document file? The answer is 32 MB. 282. What is the industrial standard name of the first computer virus for MS-DOS? The answer is Brain. 283. Software that you can download for free but have to pay to continue its use after trial period is called dash. The answer is shareware. 284. A dash is the visual effect that occurs when you move from one slide to the next during a presentation. The answer is slide transition. Visual effect that is added to text or objects on a slide is called animation. 285. Which language is used for creating web pages and web applications? The answer is Hypertext Markup Language. 286. Which is the default word processor for Microsoft Windows? The answer is WordPad. 287. Which type of memory must be refreshed many times per second? The answer is dynamic RAM. 288. When a computer is switched on, the BIOS, that is basic input output system, is loaded from dash. The answer is ROM. 289. Dash is the text editor in Windows operating systems. The answer is Notepad. 290. Which bus carries the information between processors and peripherals? The answer is data bus. 291. Dash is a character encoding that uses numeric codes to represent characters. The answer is ASCII. 292. The business communication and collaboration platform developed by Microsoft is dash. The answer is Microsoft Teams. 293. The process of replacing software with a newer version is known as dash. The answer is upgrading. 294. Dash is used to reduce the size of the file so it can be transmitted in a reduced time. The answer is compression. 295. An email feature which is used to send a copy of an email to one or many other people at the same time that you are sending it to the main recipient is called dash. The answer is carbon copy. 296. A dash is a software program which allows us to access the internet and view web pages on our computer. The answer is web browser. 297. Dash is a Windows utility program that locates and eliminates unnecessary fragments and rearranges files and unused to disk space to optimize operations. The answer is disk defragmenter. 298. IP addresses are used on which layer of OSI reference model? The answer is network layer. 299. The dash is a system software that helps to maintain the proper and smooth functioning of a computer system. The answer is utility software. 300. Dash is a Linux distribution used for penetration testing and hacking. The answer is Kali Linux. Thank you for watching. We have completed the computer section and the PDF will be provided to you soon. Please like, share and subscribe.